Are you drowning in CSS files? Tired of inventing class names that make sense today but are gibberish tomorrow? What if I told you that you could build stunning, responsive websites faster than ever, right inside your HTML? Forget messy style sheets and endless custom rules. In the next 3 minutes, you're going to unlock the power of Tailwind CSS, the utility-first framework that's changing the game for developers everywhere. No jargon, no wasted time. Ready? Let's go. Picture this. It's 2025. You're building a sleek new feature, but instead of digging through CSS files, playing selector whack-a-mole, or arguing about BM naming conventions, you're just styling directly in your HTML. Sounds like magic, right? That's Tailwind. Why Tailwind? Why not Bootstrap, Bulma, or vanilla CSS? Because Tailwind gives you building blocks, not pre-built components. Think of it as a hyper-organized toolkit of CSS superpowers. Need centered text? Text center? Need blue text? Text blue 500? Need some padding? P-4, small single-purpose classes that you compose to create any design imaginable. It's fast, it's consistent, and spoiler alert, it makes front-end development way more fun. Okay, theory's cool, but how do you actually use this thing? 2 main ways. The quick and dirty. For playing around or quick demos, just slap this script tag in your HTML head. Boom, you can start using Tailwind classes immediately. But remember, this is like the instant ramen version. Great for speed, not recommended for a gourmet production meal. The pro setup. This is where the real power lies. For any serious project, you'll want to install it using npm. First things first, make sure you've got Node.js installed. That's the key to unlocking this power tool. Got it? Sweet! Pop open your terminal in your project folder. We kick things off by getting your project officially recognized. Type this lightning-fast command, npm init -y. Now for the Tailwind magic. Head over to the official Tailwind CSS documentation. Find the first command they tell you to use for installation. Copy it, slap it back into your terminal, and hit enter. Let npm work its quick magic. Next up, create a fresh file named input.css right there in your project folder. Easy peasy. Inside this new file, you'll need to add a specific line that tells Tailwind what to do. Grab that specific instruction directly from the Tailwind docs and paste it into your input.css. You're almost there. To start the Tailwind CLI build process, copy and paste this command into the terminal and press enter. The final piece of the puzzle? Take the output.css file that the command just generated and link it up in the head of your HTML file, just like any regular style sheet, and you've unlocked the full potential. Putting it together is intuitive. Want some centered, large blue text with padding? Need a flex container? See? You're literally building the style piece by piece, right where you need it. But wait, does this mean my HTML gets super cluttered? Not if you know the tricks, but that's a story for another 3 minutes. We've seen how Tailwind's utility-first approach helps you build custom designs incredibly fast directly in your HTML. Imagine yourself shipping UIs faster, spending less time debugging styles, and actually enjoying the design process again. That future starts now with these utility classes. But remember, seeing is one thing, doing is another. The real magic happens when you start building. So here's your mission. Try it out. Grab the CDN link for a quick spin, or set up a small project with npm. Check out the amazing official Tailwind CSS docs. Seriously, they're fantastic. If this super fast tutorial lit a spark, hit that like button. It tells me you want more speedruns like this. Subscribe for more no-nonsense dev tips, and drop a comment below. What's the first thing you're going to style with Tailwind? You've got the basics. Now go build something awesome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.